What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable the high contrast keyboard in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on VN enhancements, and then in VN enhancements here you will see a high contrast keyboard option. So tap on this option. So if you want to enable the high contrast keyboard, then tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button the high contrast keyboard will be enabled. Now you have four options. You can choose black letters on yellow keypad, white letters on black keypad, yellow letters on black keypad, and white letters on blue keypad. So just simply select a theme, and if you want to disable this high contrast keyboard, then tap on this button again, and then the high contrast keyboard will be disabled. So that's how you can enable or disable the high contrast keyboard in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.